Hello, everyone. My name is Juan Carlos Vargas. I am 28 years old. I was born in Bogota, Colombia. Now, I am studying on the System Engineering program at UNAD. I am technical. I work at a technology company. I like develop software, listen music, sing, watching video and travel. I live in Bogota and family live in Huila. My travel, the two star, I went to Gerson, Huila. The weather is warm and sunny, but the place near freaks and makes eyes. Finally, the place seems to be full of life. My travel. My recommendation for the table, first of all, it is the recommendation to wear clothes for the warm weather. After that, avoid spending a lot of time in the sun. Bye bye.